Fixed splitting of the second sound. Fixed splitting of the second sound refers to split sound which displays little or no respiratory variation. The two components making up the sound occur in their normal sequence, but the ventricles are unable to change their volumes with respiration. This finding is typical in atrial septal defect, but is occasionally heard in congestive heart failure. The fixed split is heard best at base left with the diaphragm. The following example demonstrates a widely fixed split second sound. This was taken from a patient with an atrial septal defect. Concentrate only on the second sound and try to ignore the murmur which precedes it. The murmur will be discussed later.